Welcome, computer scientists. This is an example of one CSS rule. I'm going to highlight it right now. And as we can see, in line 7, we indicated that we want to change some properties of the h1 tag. And in line 8, you can see this nice property we chose is color. And the value we want it to be is red. So when we run this code, we'll see that the text changed to red. I'm just going to add one more property to change for h1 tags. And it's going to be the background color. And this is how you set that up. Make sure you hit your colon and your semicolon correctly. And I want it to be blue. So when we add this, there should be a blue background with red text. And there is. So now we're going to try and add one more rule. And this time I want to make this h2 tag have a certain color. So I'm going to select on line 11 via h2, hit my curly brace, and now I have to pick the properties I want. So I'm going to use a color of yellow, and I'm going to give it a background color of purple. And let's just see how this looks. So it should show up on this h2 tag with yellow text and a purple background. That's for my Lakers. One more cool thing we can do is we can edit this body tag to give the whole website a background. So I'm going to add one more rule. And I'm going to select body again, use my curly braces. And I'm going to say background dash color. And I want the background color to be pink. Make sure you use, I didn't spell this right. So notice how it wasn't colored. Now that looks right. Let's test it out. And it shows up. So right now we have 3 rules added in: h1 rule, h2 rule, and a body rule. You're going to have to make 5 for your website. I'm going to show you a website too right now. So if you just W3 schools, CSS rules, you can use this website to change any of these properties. So like there's a lot of things we can change. I just showed you some basic text editing ones, but you can do almost anything to it. You can change the font, you can change the grid size, you can change how the image is going to show up, you can change the height. All of these things work really well. And with that, good luck on yours.